Hi, I hope that you will be fine. Today's video I will talk what is the purpose of medicines. I mean to say you that what happens when you use medicines. Mostly people think that medicine is very beneficial for us, so that's why we have to use medicines. No, never use any medicines. Only when you need at that position you should use medicines. Otherwise, if you are found to take more medicines, that means you can destroy your body. Before watching the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. Because all over the medicines, in the one side they are beneficial, but in the other side, they are also side effects. Actually, why we use medicines? You know that when you are facing any disease, that means your immune system is not working properly. For example, if you have any bacterial infections, at that position, your immune system will be active and try to destroy. For example, at that position, your immune system is not working proper way and you are in diseased form. That means as a sporter, you have used medicines. The use of medicines is an example such as, for example, when your vehicle is not being run, at that position, you push the van and then start. After pushing the vehicle, your vehicle will run. Otherwise, you are try again and again, but your vehicle is not working. But after pushing the vehicle, your vehicle will be started. Same as also medicine works as whenever you are facing any disease, at that position you have to take medicines. But an experienced person that are working in this field can give you medicine. But there are people that are no experience, no exposure to give medicine and suggestion. That means you never use any medicine and take any suggestion without consultancy. But a person having experience that are physician and also know your body, immune system and also your anatomy and physiology. What is the function of medicine in your body and what will be happen after using the medicines? A person having knowledge about this can give you medicines. If you are using medicines on behalf of you or on behalf of their people, that person, they are not physician, but only that are giving you medicines, never use it. Because if medicine give you benefit, in the other side also, they give you side effect. That we can say that demerits. So never use any medicine on behalf of you. And also, I have watched a lot more videos on YouTube channel and others that people are having recommendation for the people to use these medicines. After using this medicine, you will be active, your body immune system will work very well. So that's our fake knowledge we can say, because their knowledge is taken from without experience, only taken from any book or but no expertise on this field, but they are giving on only knowledge. So I have uploaded a lot more videos on this platform, and also I have tried to say you that never use more medicines. Only prescribed doctor or physician can give you medicine, but other people that are giving you recommendation, giving you medicines and others, never use, because you are the master of your body. And also you can understand that I have told you that what I want to say to you. I hope that this video will be very helpful for you. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me. And finally, thanks for watching.